God gonna get that get back for you. He gonna do it. You don't even gotta worry about it. I know it hurt. I know that they did you wrong. But leave it alone. God saw the whole thing from start to finish. Every lie, every betrayal. You don't have to chase justice when God already knows the truth. You don't have to do it. While they're busy thinking that they got away with it, God is busy working it out for you. Your job is just to heal. God gonna handle the rest.
We have the t-shirts back in stock, my darlings. What is delayed is not denied. We have it in blue. Since you loved it so very much indeed, my darlings, you better go ahead and get your t-shirt before it sells out, because I just might go ahead and do a yellow t-shirt for you and an orange t-shirt. You have to bear in mind, Baby Girl is a small brand. We are self-funding here, so I can only do so much. But yes, the t-shirt is back and I am living and loving. I also have a surprise for you. Yes. You asked and I said, why not? We have brought the black t-shirt back. What is delayed is not denied. Are we living and loving? Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? So yesterday, Ben Crump, as well as Nolan's family, held a press conference, as well as some other mothers who have lost their sons. Of course, we are still on top of this case for Nolan Wells, and we are going to sit through the press conference and hear what Ben Crump has to say about the updates he has with the Nolan Wells case.
We all know July 4th, Nolan Wells goes with friends, celebrating 4th of July. All the friends come back. Nolan Wells tragically washes up on the shore 2 days later, dead. And so we know all the current events that have been happening. We are announcing that we have the audio from the officials, and we have retained and are consulting with some of the foremost audio engineering experts to review those audio tapes from the CETO call in its entirety. We also, and Attorney Hertz may go into greater detail on these matters, have consulted President Mariel with Oceanic engineering experts to talk about how these facts are lining up. The fact that they say Nolan's body was found in the same location where they say they left him at. And so we want to know, how is that possible with the oceanic tides? Yeah. We want the experts. I mean, you got low tides and high tides. It's not adding up. So we are going to dot every I and cross every T until we find out what happened to Nolan Wells. Attorney Hertz will also go into a little more detail, and Attorney Park, about how we're trying to coordinate with Dr. Roger Mitchell, who conducted the independent autopsy of Nolan Wells, to be able to inspect his throat that was missing with his body when he was flown to do the autopsy with Dr. Mitchell. Also, we are hopeful that they will discuss with Dr. Mitchell the photographs and observations made at the time when Nolan was first discovered, because Dr. Mitchell did not get an opportunity until July 10th to be able to examine his body. And at that time, we know the airways and the lungs had already been dissected and so forth. So we can't tell if there was the presence of water or not. That would suggest whether he drowned or not. And remember what Dr. Roger Mitchell said in his autopsy. President Mariel, he talked about the fact that to say he drowned does not draw the conclusions of what happened to Nolan Wells. He said it is equally important to know at what condition was Nolan Wells' body when he went into the water. Was he conscious or was he unconscious? Was he forced into the water or did he go unforced into the water? He said all of these things are very important. And so we're dotting I's and crossing T's. We are focused on getting to the truth, and we stand for the truth. Me and everybody on my legal team stand for the truth, no matter who it implicates or who it exonerates. Yes. We stand for justice, no matter who it convicts or who it acquits. And we stand for transparency.
Yes.
So everybody can see. And that's all we want. We want answers. We're not casting aspersions on anybody. We are saying that we want to make sure everybody who is remotely involved has their questions answered to make sure we have a full and fair and impartial and transparent investigation. And is that too much to ask for these broken-hearted parents? Is that too much to ask? That's all. If it was your child, wouldn't you want the same thing? And I get it. They're attacking me. They're attacking Reverend Al. They're attacking the parents of Nolan Wells.
Yes.
We don't care about those distractions. We ain't no ways tired. We are completely focused, completely laser focused on getting to the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help us, God.
Amen.
And so the threats, the attacks mean nothing to us. We will not be deterred. Look into our eyes. We're going to get to the truth. I am so grateful to Mr. Byron Allen for donating $100,000 to the GoFundMe so we can help get the best experts in the world. I am thankful to Reverend Al Sharpton. I am thankful to Mr. Tyler Perry. I'm thankful to Mr. Terrell Owens. I am very thankful to everybody who did not think it robbery to say, what can we do to help people get to the truth and call in to the tip line so we can help not only Nolan Wells' family, but we can help Daniel Urban's family, and we can help Tyler Smith's family as well. Everybody on social media, please continue to ask questions. Please continue to share photographs, share videos. It all helps us solve this potential of what happened to Nolan Wells. I mean, it's just so important. Somebody saw something. Somebody knows something. As Christine and Elmore have said, if you're really Nolan's friend, you know in your heart of hearts that if the roles were reversed, that Nolan would say something. He would call and tell what he saw. And so that's all they're asking. Do for Nolan what he would have done for you. Do for Nolan what he would have done for you. Do for Nolan what he would have done for you.
I did not know that the kidneys had been dissected. I did not know that. That's why it's important to cover everything, and that's why I bring everything to you. I did not know that. 90% of the time I sit through everything for you guys, so my reaction was really sincere. I did not know that. That's why the autopsy that they had in Washington, D.C. was inconclusive. They've dissected the lungs. Why? I feel such a cover-up. I feel that they are concealing evidence, they are destroying evidence, and they are buying time, and people are lawyering up. What is it that they are hiding so badly? And as if that is not bad enough, they are assassinating Nolan's character by talking about drugs and alcohol, as if none of the boys were not doing it also. It wasn't only Nolan. In the event that that is the case, why are you trying to assassinate his character?
I was told, and you guys, please take in consideration that it's reliable sources. However, the only way to prove the truth in this is if I see it with my own eyes, if the law enforcement have the investigation of this, and also when the toxicology results come out. But people are messaging me and telling me that there is heavy drinking and there's cocaine involved. And there's a particular person whom I know this person's name. I'm not going to disclose it. I'm going to go to the police first, and then I will disclose it if it doesn't interfere in the investigation. But this person allegedly was offering people cocaine, and someone close to Nolan, one of his friends, this person was offered cocaine and rejected it from this person. And I was also told, and this person told me that it's over 100% chance that Nolan was using cocaine during this period of time. This person said it was 150% sure that when the toxicology comes back, that Nolan will have cocaine in his system.
Could it be, because now that I know that the lungs were dissected, could it be a precedence for them to say, well, you know what? These are hound dogs. They're not going to let go of this case. So let us present it in such a way that when the toxicology report comes out, when the autopsies comes out, this is exactly what we're going to tell them, that this is what we found. I have to go there because none of this is making sense. It means that they doctored the autopsy, they butchered the autopsy so that they wouldn't have a chance in hell. That's what this is telling me. Drop it down in the comments if you think otherwise. While we're in their neighborhood, we have Warren Hudson's stepfather, who has now given $50,000 to anybody who can give us any more clues to the case. It's been a month. Today is what? Today is the 30th of July. You couldn't have done that in the beginning? Could it be a situation that you are doing this just to deflect from your stepson, Warren, whose wife, the judge, by the way, has the hotline directed straight to her office? You can't make this up. I salute Ben Crump. I salute Nolan's family. God bless you, because I know that this is not easy. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you I'll see you sooner than later. And thank you very much, Fumi Nation, for all of the information, all of the emails, all of the DMs that you continue to send me. God bless you all. God bless us all.
Well, Daniel, let's update.
Yeah, I mean, the outside of the facts that you laid out, Don, the updates that we got in Nolan Wells were, one, the family is going to be working with the investigators to not only dig into what the contents of Nolan's phone, but also the contents of and anybody that was on the island that was associated with Nolan. And so that is going to tell us a lot of information, because as we know, Christine, Nolan's mom, has said his phone was blank. No photos, nothing on Snapchat, no activity. And that was abnormal for Nolan, according to his mom. And so actually having that analysis is going to tell us a lot of information. Was there stuff that was deleted? And they can go into files if it was deleted, even from the deleted trash folder. And so that is going to tell us a lot of information. That was one thing. Obviously, the second thing is that Nolan Wells' body washed up on shore, the same area that the boat left. And so we're going to get a new timeline of events to really get down to the bottom of what happened.
I am so excited. I mean, talk about keeping it in the family. For those of you that don't know, I was a beauty queen. Yes, I was Miss West Africa 1990. Yes, decades ago. And then it's come back full circle with my beautiful niece Farah, who is competing to be Miss Alberta. I want you guys to sponsor, to support her. She has a wonderful support page. Please go right ahead and support her. Please, please, please. She is absolutely beautiful and amazing. I remember when Farah was born, and to see her now walking on stage and winning all of these beauty competitions just warms my heart. So I want to use my platform to spread the word out there. Please support my wonderful niece Farah and just click onto the link and give her all the support that you can. I will deeply, deeply, deeply I will deeply appreciate it. And Farah, congratulations. Congratulations. Well, you know you're my daughter anyway, because I don't have daughters. So you are my daughter. It doesn't matter who birthed you. You're my daughter. And I am so, so proud of you. Fumi Nation, this is the first. Yes, my darlings. The next generation doing wonderful and amazing things. And for Farah to walk out on these platforms and really follow in my steps, in my footsteps, I am absolutely speechless. And I want you to support her. Okay? All of my love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for everything. I love you guys. Mwah.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking